Today, I'm going to share with you exactly how to make money as a TikTok Shop affiliate, which is literally the easiest way to make $5, $10, $15,000 a month in profit with $0 in startup costs. And all you need to do is be on TikTok, make some videos, do some live streams. It's wild. It's insane how many ordinary people are making life-changing money off TikTok Shop. I mean, look at this, 9,000 followers, hardly an influencer, 236,000, 33,000 a day in sales. In the last 30 days, it's starting to get close to $1 million. That's not a professional influencer. People have 20,000 followers. It's insane how much money people are making with little effort. Now today I'm coming at you from Thailand. I apologize for the gloomy, rainy vibes, but it's gonna be a great video nonetheless. So make sure to drop a like. Also, before we jump in, I made an entire course the last 2 weeks and a community that you can get for free by clicking the link down below. I'm gonna let the first 1,000 people in for free. This is gonna teach you exactly how to get started as an affiliate on TikTok Shop and basically go through so much more than what we're gonna cover today. Now I want you to take a look at this photo, $860 in sales. Now, this was an affiliate who just started promoting my supplement brand on TikTok. They went live on TikTok for 2.5 hours. They sat on there, they talked about the product, and they made, in total, I'll give you the exact number, $285 in commission on his second day in affiliate with no followers, no experience. Insane. $25,800 a month at 20% commission is $5,160 in profit for the creator, or at 30% commission, that's $7,740 in profit that they're on track to make, assuming they don't grow, don't get better, and don't make more sales on top of that, which is nearly impossible. I'm sure they're gonna get better. So as you can imagine, this is insanely profitable and there's never been anything like it. So make sure to join that community while it's still free down below, and let's jump in. This is a tool called CaloData that we use a lot inside of my business. It allows us to see exactly what's happening on TikTok Shop, all the data, all the big brands on here. We can click on it, we can see their creators. So this allows us to see who's promoting it, exactly how much money they're making, which products are doing well. I can see every single piece of data that I could ever want. I can look up products, I can look up creators and see who is making money. So this has been really helpful for us to see exactly what's working, and then we're just copy pasting it. We have a ton of people promoting my brands on TikTok and they're making a lot of money doing it. So this has been a good tool for that. And I just wanted to show you some of these because again, 9,000 followers, this is not an influencer. This is not somebody who is a professional on social media. In the last 30 days, $776,000. Now, look at the difference between this. Almost all of that, pretty much all of it was generated off live streaming. So this creator just goes live on TikTok. They don't even post videos. Whereas some of these other ones, again, pretty much all live stream. Oh, someone over here, all they do is make videos. There's people on both ends of the spectrum.
Bit of a day walker myself.
Now, the most successful affiliates definitely go live, but doing both is always really, really profitable. Now, everybody's been asking how to actually get set up on TikTok as an affiliate, so let me share this with you. If you go on your TikTok page, 3 little dashes in the corner, TikTok Studio, and then TikTok Shop for Creator, you're gonna be able to apply to be on TikTok Shop as a creator. Now, there's a couple of restrictions. You need to be 18 plus. They just changed this rule. It's probably gonna change again. You need at least 1,000 followers. It used to be 5,000. You have to be in one of the eligible countries. That list is slowly expanding. But these are just some of the restrictions that you're gonna need to know to be able to get access to your account. Now, there's one quick workaround that I will mention. Be careful doing it. If you open your account as a seller, meaning I don't wanna be an affiliate, I wanna actually have my own brand, I wanna sell products. If you do that, you can get access to be an affiliate for any product you want without needing any followers. However, if you don't actually upload the products right away, even if it's listed as out of stock, if you don't actually start the process, they will ban you for doing this because that's a workaround that they are aware of. Now, like we saw in here, doing live streams has clearly been one of the most profitable things for a lot of these creators. Now, using CaloData, I can scroll all the way down and actually look at the recordings of lives, both for individuals as well as all the creators for pretty much any brand. I can see the performance. Like this person went live for 2 hours and 42 minutes. They did $113,000 in sales. Now, most brands on TikTok pay anywhere from 10 to 20% is kind of the average commission range. Some go a little bit higher than that. So you can imagine working for 3 hours basically and making $10 to $20, $25,000, which is just nuts. So we can see all of these. And the cool thing is through here, I can actually click on them and a lot of times they are recorded. So I can go through here, I can see their set, I can watch it to see what they're saying. And again, I can just scroll through and see all their different live streams, which is super, super crucial. So I wanna talk real quick about the set because this is your stage, if you will. This is what people see when they join you live. Just like how people swipe through the videos, they swipe through live streams. You wanna have a really engaging set. So for example, here is a gut health supplement, a pill that people take, promotes weight loss and stuff like that. They have a photo before and after, they're showing the bottle. This one has it on a spinning disc. This other guy has a laptop in the background with just some crazy stuff and a free shipping banner. This one has a few pills outlined next to it with the thing. And it's like, it really matters your set. And so if one's not working, try setting it up a different way. Put some flashing lights in the background. People do a lot of stuff like that. Now, a lot of people ask what they should name it. It really doesn't matter. People name it all sorts of different stuff, and that doesn't seem to affect the performance of the live stream. But a big question I get asked is, how long should you stream? I have found 60, 90, and 120 minutes to be the average sweet spots. So doing either an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, and doing that every single day consistently is what I see the top affiliates doing that we can track over on CaloData. So again, for this gut cleanse, which is a huge, huge product, in the last 30 days, they did almost $7 million in revenue. I can not only see all the creators and how much money they were generating, I can see which videos performed the best, the ones just posted publicly, but I can keep scrolling and look at the live streams. So this allows me to kind of build off and copy what's working for people. So that's a really, really big thing. I see a lot of short streams do really well too, but those are kind of the general ones that work the best. So that's live streaming, which is active work. You're actually doing it. You got to go live. There's some ways to automate it. But now what about making videos? Just posting them publicly on your TikTok page? Here's some really interesting pro tips to consider. There are people making insane amounts of money just by posting videos. Okay, so if we go down over here to the top videos, 40,000 off a video, 24,000. The cool thing is it can continue to run. These videos often take off, they go viral, and it just cranks sale. But I'll give you a big pro tip right now. If you are going to do live streams, post a video 5 or 10 minutes before. Because if that video starts to do well, if you're sitting on live for 2 hours after, all the people who see the video in the first couple hours, which is usually a big chunk of it, they're going to see a flashing little thing showing that you're live, and that's going to push more people onto your live stream. So I do see a lot of the live stream creators using that as kind of a hack. So I'll give you that pro tip there. It really, really helps. And under Making Videos, again, join the community while it's still free down there. There are so many good things inside of here. We cover all of it, but captions, descriptions, what videos are working, different ways to spot the viral videos, posting frequency. Here's one thing I will mention. There's no limit to how much you can post, meaning it's not going to hurt your performance. I got 12 million views on a TikTok page organically, $0 spent just by posting 5 videos a day. Some people think 5 is too much. You're going to flood your page. Not the case. But what I do is if one video goes viral, I post less while it's running, which means if I make a post and it starts taking off, I don't want to post, 2 hours after that, another 2 hours, like aggressively kind of bogs it down. So I'll give it some space to run. That's the same on any platform. If a video is really going viral, post less for the next couple of days. It usually helps it continue to go more viral. Sweet spot, post 2 to 3 times a day. Now, I see a lot of affiliates make a really big mistake, and this is where they want to order samples, free samples for pretty much every product. Hey, I'm going to test this, then test this, then test this. The most successful affiliates do the opposite. They request samples for 1, maybe 2 products, and they're very careful on which products they're going to sell. And then when they actually get it, they're focusing a lot on testing. I see this all the time. I actually had a brand where I sent out 550 samples. Only 160 people posted any video. Out of the 160, 90 of them only posted 1 video. That tells me they are not putting in almost any effort. TikTok is boosting anything that has a product through TikTok Shop linked on it. So you want to be a TikTok Shop affiliate. It's literally a money printer. Now, if I had to give you a quick pro tip as somebody who has seen this, we've helped a lot of affiliates do this for my brands, is if you want to understand the testing structure, do this for at least 2 weeks, post a minimum of 1 video a day, and then go live once a day. Even if it's just 30 minutes, 60 minutes, do that every single day. And I'd recommend posting that video within like an hour before you go live. That just gets the best results. Do that for a week or 2, and you can still do that same action for 3 products. That just means you're posting 3 videos a day and going live 3 times, 1 for each. That's a really easy way to test and give it a shot to see if it works. And then here's another tool. It's called FastMoss that you could use. For an example, like the commission rate on some of these brands, 25%, 30, which is really high, 15%, 15. We see 10 to 20 is really the most common range, and anything above that, that's considered a lot. So the higher you go, if you're a seller, obviously, more people are going to want to promote your product. And if you're an affiliate trying to make money, having a higher commission definitely makes that easier. So something to look at. And usually once you're a big fish, like you're making them a lot of money, you can reach out and say, hey, I want to go from 20 to 25, and they'll probably give it to you. Like for an example, for my supplement company, and supplements are the #1 product on TikTok Shop. We offer people a larger percentage than most. And the reason is we really want to build a listing. We want our affiliates making money. So we have a ton of people that are promoting ours making bank. Now I'll give you one extra pro tip here on finding products. And again, you can see this full document inside the training, which you can grab for free for the first 1,000 people, linked down below. That's our school group and course. But one pro tip, think about this when you're trying to find a product. How easy will it be for you to create content daily? if you're a guy trying to sell a woman's probiotic product just because it's trending, is going to be more difficult. Now, it's super easy to sell that through a faceless live stream. Again, that's what I was showing you. These people going live, they're not taking the product. They don't need to show their face. Even if it's a guy's voice, it really doesn't matter. These people are printing money. I have an affiliate for our brand, and he doesn't even use our product. But I mean, he does $380,000 a month in total between all the products he promotes. All he does, he never shows his face, is just have a camera pointed at the product on a little spinning thing, and he talks about it for hours a day. That's it. Like, it's crazy. Faceless live streams could work. Just keep in mind, if you're trying to actually make videos and use it and be interactive, it's going to be tough if it's not really a product that fits in with you and your lifestyle. But right now, there's literally just endless opportunity with TikTok Shop. For example, my supplement brand, we're in the process of giving away a Tesla to the top affiliate who reaches a certain milestone. So we're doing like a gamified version where like, hey, every month, the top guy gets a free vacation with a +1, or giving away an iPhone and doing cash prizes and a freaking car. So we're doing a lot of stuff like that, plus giving our people a really high percentage. And that's attracted a lot of affiliates, kind of built a culture. And that's something we're really looking to expand. So you can get access to that with my brand if you want to promote that and learn how to promote other stuff through the free school program down below. Again, it's free for the first 1,000 people. But getting on TikTok, all it takes is having a phone and being able to set up the account, which I show you exactly how to do all the little tricks to get around stuff and regulations. But to be able to get inside of there and start posting content. It's not rocket science. It's not an 8-hour-a-day job. You can start pretty easily with an extra 60 minutes a day. Is exactly what I would recommend, just to really start testing a product and see if it works. Some pages explode, others don't, but it's still pretty easy to make a lot of money. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like. If you have any questions at all, join the school community and ask it in there. We give everybody the opportunity to be in a big chat where you can ask questions, see the other creators that are making money, see what content's working for them, so you can really see everything that's working and basically just copy it. So if you have any questions, put it in there. Make sure to drop a like on the video, and I'll catch you inside of the school group.